Hey everybody, welcome back to Shiny Shopping Saga. So yes, I am outside of this window again at HomeGoods. I'm always outside of the window, but these chairs are $1.99 because I don't think I'm gonna be able to see them because they like have them up at the front. But let's go see what they have inside. And see, they have these lamps. So this one is $40. Can you guys see it? And then look at this, $150. They still have the pretty cake stand. And it is $30. Date night, table topics, questions to start, great conversations, $14.99. Table topics, dinner with friends, family dinner. That's something. You need something to help you start a conversation. Not a bad idea though. $12.99. This lamp is $100. He's $100. Okay, let's go into the gardening. Oh, we saw this one yesterday. This one is $60. A few $30. The egg wreaths, these are $30. We just saw some like this in Christmas tree shops. Well, not quite the same, a little different. This cute sign says blessed. I don't see the price. Have some ducks, $30. This is pretty. This is, let's see, $60. What's this? I don't see the price on it. Pretty giant vases are up here, and more of the golds. This is pretty. It's like a giant slinky. If I can get to the price, that would be great. $40. Oh no, that's for the lamp in the back. Hold up, guys. Let me see. $30. And then this is pretty. Let's see if we can look up. This one is $12.99 and $20. They still have this, the head here. This bench was here the last time we came, but they have this one here for $60 and this one is $70. And she's putting out a few of the Easter goodies over here. $14.99, $4.99. And it's just a bunch of chocolate eggs. Look at how cute. $5.99. $12.99 for the bunnies. These pillows are $10. Get these. Oh, Rae Dunn. Bunny love. Hello. $7.99. Every bunny loves some bunny sometimes. And it says Happy Easter. That's pretty. I think it's the first year I've seen the Rae Dunn pillows in Easter. Those are the first year they have those out, right? The Easter pillows? The Rae Dunn?
Excuse me?
The Rae Dunn. That's the first year they have those, right?
I believe so, yeah. I haven't seen them before.
$9.99. More Easter. Okay, so we made it back over here. There's a little gold egg one. I wanted to show you guys. And she was trying to stock it as we were over here. They have the little ducks, the little globes, $10. And then these are $7. Look at how cute these are. Oh, little mini. $1.99. That's so cute. How much are these? $12.99. Oh, I'll fall back. Oh, she's actually stocking the shelf now. Look at how pretty these are. I was kind of in her way. $12.99. Are these cups down here? Let me see. Oh yeah, they say pugs, little cups. Let me see if I can wait till she's done putting it out. She's putting out these on the shelf now. Oh, these are heavy, $9.99, marble. And then they have these bowls here, $7.99. And up here, $12.99. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, that is so pretty. The print on that. $4.99. Can you guys see the print on that? And then they also have these. Wait, are these like Rae Dunn? Oh yeah, little baking pans, XO, $14.99. And I saw something else Rae Dunn too over here. Let me see. Oh no, just these little bunnies here. $12.99. Do small things with great love. Crystal Gnome. Gonna leave her card alone because she's filling it up now. Oh, look at these. These are pretty. She actually has them too, holding the gold egg. $6.99. I'm gonna see if I can catch it before I leave this area. But I do have some more Valentine's pillows. $24.99. 25 parchment paper sheets, $4.99. Rae Dunn. The giant candles. Oh, it has a little truck on the side. That's pretty. $14.99. And this one has the gnomes on the side. And then this XO pillow. Ocean mist. Oh, these are pretty. It says love you, kiss me, and be mine. It's a pack of 3. Okay, and they have some of the spatula sets and stuff over here. But this is the cups that I was trying to show you. She has like a whole little thing full. $5.99. Love you, be mine. And more bowls and cups. $4.99. Oh, it's a lot more bowls too. And more cups. I just want to show you guys the bunny holding a gold egg before we go. I don't want to walk away and forget. They do have a lot of prints on the side of the candles. It says love. What's this one say? Oh, it's the pink gnome again. Oh, how pretty is this? The Rae Dunn. It says tweet jar. $24.99. And then these say crack me up. It's really pretty. Oh.
No, this one's better.
And then they have these still, honey and bumble.
Oh, gee.
$9.99.
Oh, $25. Yeah, but she's getting married.
Oh, they have these cups bigger, but they have these smaller ones.
That would have been a great one.
It's cool. They have it. Last week they had like a bike type of table, but this is a stool. It's like it has like bike stuff on it. It is $100. It's different and unique. That mirror's still here. $300. I guess nobody wants it. And they have this over here. So this is $50. This table is $150. These tables $70. $150. $70. $199. Let's see what this is over here. Is it cracked or is it made like that? $59.99. And look at these pretty cups. $3.99. Look at these cute pillows. It's a bunny by Isaac, $20. And then look at this one. This one is so cute. And some boxes. And of course, more cute pillows. And look, they have some more laundry bins. This one says laundry, wash, dry, repeat. Wash me, please. $16.99. I'm backing up into something. These are cute. Say laundry. Guys, I'm looking over here, and as I'm looking over here, I see this. The octopus. $24.99. And these cute little candles. $7.99. Look at the cute iridescent type of looks. We have some cake stands. $29.99, $30, and $20 for the shorter one. They never let down with the pretty bathroom sets. It says toss, things, wash, Rae Dunn type of thing, stuff. They have that one, this one, this print, the marble. I think this one was here last week, this print. They have this one, the flowers, and the grays. Some cute little stools. Those are $50. All of the pretty picture frames, $6.99, $5.99, $7.99. Look at these. It's a pretty picture for $100. The decorative ladders are $50. $129. Does it say? It says $39.99. This one is marked down to $90. It was $100. This one is $100. Oh, it's like a push pin board. I don't see the price on it though. It's pretty mirrors. This chair is $300. It's pretty. You guys can see the back of it. Oh, $250. Good thing I walked around. Let's see. And we saw these chairs. These are $150. They have the green and the plum, and then the black and white chair. This one is $199. Those stools up there are $50. They have these. This one is $100. $59. $100. And this one is $150. Oh, we saw this one too in a previous vlog. These are $34.99. Look at this one. And then this clear table is $350. It has storage like in the side of it. That's different. 80, 80, and 60. And I see a bunch of these prints. $20. They have this one, and then the kind of round one. And And these are, I don't see the price on it. They have this one and this one. This one is, says made in India, $24.99. Oh, this is pretty. It says make laundry today or laundry today or naked tomorrow. I just like the handle on it. $12.99. That's pretty. What's this? It's like some kind of table. These notebooks. Plan to shine. $4.99. Be still and know that I am God. A lot of cute stationery. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog over here, guys. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and shopping with me. I hope you enjoyed this shopping trip at HomeGoods, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Nicole Miller, $12.99.